Alright, so we're painting this Puma shoe right here, just for fun, you know. I just want to see if actually automotive paint will stick on this kind of surface right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and paint this Puma shoe right here, the Nike Max 90 from Eminem's colorways. I'm just doing this for fun, you know. I want to see like if automotive paint, since I'm in the automotive industry, if it actually will stick on here. I know from watching a lot of YouTube videos, they use Angelica's paint to just brush it on there, but I'm really curious if automotive paint will stick on here. And I chose a Eminem Nike Max 90 because I was just googling up most expensive shoe, and that was actually $50,000. And I'm like, man, maybe I can try that out on a shoe, see if it looks like the actual Eminem Max 90. So you guys let me know if it does look like the Nike Air Max 90 Eminem. Let's get started. Alright, let's take off these shoelaces. Alright. Put that to the side. So now I'm gonna clean it off, making sure we're gonna go ahead and sand it down a little bit. I think like right here we're gonna keep this white, and then everything else gets colored. Maybe even over here. But let's go ahead and sand down what we want to color. You guys comment down below, let me know if I'm doing this right. I saw some videos, I know you have to sand it down a little bit. Trying to mimic a $50,000 shoe. I might put this on sneaker.com. I'm gonna autograph it. I think these are one of the easier shoes to paint, just because there's not a lot of intricate design on it. And from what I see, like on YouTube, they paint a lot of like white colors. That's like their base color to use. So I think like Nike Air Force, or no, not that Nike Air Force. The Nike Air Force. So guys, tape this up. I'm gonna leave this one white right here, all of this white. Actually, let me see what Eminem does. So Nike is usually white, so this is the Puma sign or logo. We're gonna go ahead and keep that one white, and then on the back right here, I like that Puma's logo, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that white also. So I'm gonna tape that up. All right, let's cut this up. I think the hardest part about like these shoes being painted, they get to tape up so much. All right, so I know you're supposed to use like alcohol wipes, what I see on YouTube. This is the same exact thing. It's like a surface cleaner for us in the automotive industry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this thing. It smells like alcohol too. It actually smells like that thing that you blow in a stick, in the bubbles. You know what I'm talking about? That thing you blow in a stick, in a bubble.
In bubbles?
Yeah. So.
Bubbles in a stick?
Oh, look at that. It turns all white now.
What are you blowing?
Oh, nice. Brand new shoe. Noise. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we are going to put paper all around except for here and here. That's going to be green, right? Green. guys, there you go. The colorways for the Nike Air 90s, Eminem style. This is like a $50,000 or $70,000 shoe. We mimicked it and replicated it. So comment down below, let me know if I did a good job. The hardest part on this one is going to be taping it up. Spraying the paint was really easy. I recommend it. I sprayed a lower volume on it, so it kind of didn't overspray too much. But yeah, it looked fantastic. I think it looked a lot better than brushing it on with a brush, basically. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.